This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook Rellenong Bangus. To begin, select one large milkfish weighing about 1 kilogram. Look for bright eyes and firm flesh. You will also need 2 medium-sized onions, 4 cloves of garlic, and 1/4 cup of carrots, finely diced. Fresh tomatoes, bell peppers, and green peas will add vibrant color and essential flavors to our filling. Having all your ingredients prepped makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let us prepare our milkfish, which is the heart of this dish. First, remove the scales and clean the fish thoroughly under cold running water. Next, carefully make an incision along the fish's back, near the dorsal fin, and gently scrape the meat away from the skin. Remove the spine and all small bones, then steam or boil the fish meat until cooked through. Flake the meat finely once it has cooled, ensuring every bone is removed for a delightful texture. With our fish meat ready, it is time to create the delicious filling. In a large pan, heat 2 tablespoons of cooking oil over medium heat. Sauté the minced garlic and chopped onions until fragrant and translucent for about 3 minutes. Add the diced tomatoes, 1/2 cup of carrots, and 1/4 cup of green peas, cooking until slightly tender. Finally, fold in the flaked fish meat, seasoning with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Stir everything together well. The final steps bring our Rellenong Bangus to life. Carefully spoon the prepared filling back into the milkfish skin, gently reforming its original shape. Do not overstuff, as the skin might tear during cooking. Seal any openings with kitchen twine or aluminum foil to keep the filling secure. For cooking, deep fry the fish in hot oil until golden brown and crispy, or bake it in an oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 to 40 minutes. Serve it warm with a dipping sauce and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.